everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a fascinating story to share with you about my recent experience at the mall. So, buckle up and join me on this wild ride. Last night, I decided to visit the mall to check out the air conditioning and maybe do some shopping. When I entered the store, I was surprised to see all the girls' clothes fluttering in the AC breeze. As I browsed through the place, I was caught off guard when an employee approached me and said, "Don't act like that," and then suggested I bring my wife or girlfriend shopping with me. Feeling insulted, I responded with a slight expression on my face while making a comment about my girlfriend. The employee then tried to convince me that if I didn't choose something suitable, more than 70% of people wouldn't like it, and I'd have to return or change it again. However, I stood my ground and insisted that I was there for my girlfriend. So, let's see how the story unfolds when she joins me tomorrow. Thanks for listening to my story. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting content like this. Until next time, stay safe and happy shopping.
Oi! Darda? কিছু করছিস?
আর মশলা লাগবে না আপনার এই দেখছেন এর ভিতরে পুকুর আছে একটা পানির পুকুর আছে মানে এই যে এর ভিতরে এটা কি পানি এটা কি ছিল না দেখছেন আপনি পানি দেখছেন এর ভিতরে পানি কত পানি এটা আসছে কোথা থেকে আসছে বলে আপনার ওই পাশ থেকে হ্যাঁ ওই পাশে থেকে আসছে ওই পাশ থেকে এখানে পানি